Javier Garcia with Stage Roofing. Thanks for tuning in. Here we're doing a tile roof relay. Let me show you. Here we're installing the new underlayment. This one does not break. This one comes with a 50-year warranty. It actually keeps the building cooler versus made out of oil and petroleum. This old underlayment up above. We didn't take this one because it was not that damaged compared to the bottom section where they had the leak. Let me go ahead and show you over here. 90% of the times where the first roof, it leaks on a tile roof, is around the chimney or valley. So the water started coming down. It's really important to get a roof inspection every 2-3 years on your tile roofs to make sure that the tile is in place and it doesn't fall out of place so you don't have a big leak and could cost you thousands of dollars instead of a quick roof inspection, maintenance free. All right, so give us a call today for your free estimate. Thank you.